Hello and welcome to History 102, Western Civilization Part 2. My name is Professor Barbara Cook and I will be your instructor for this semester. I look forward to working with you all on this course. The first thing I want you to do is we're going to go to the syllabus. What this video is going to do is going to show you a tutorial on how to navigate this course so that you know where everything is and are more successful in this course. Click on the syllabus, and the first thing you need to do is actually print out the syllabus, read over it. It will answer the majority of your questions that you may have. It's also got your textbook information where you can either buy the hard copy textbook or you can purchase the ebook. You do have to purchase one of these books to be successful in this course. This course is going to be have review quizzes that's going to come directly from these textbooks. So you must purchase one of them, either the hard copy or the ebook. Your first assignment is going to be in the discussion board under the attendance verification. This is a way for us to, since this is an online course, financial aid, scholarship, and VA offices all need confirmation that you have participated in the course. And this is the way that we will do it. It's a very easy question. You're going to tell me about your major. And it does have a due date. So make sure that you are completing it by its due date. The rest of you have a couple more assignments here, but you also are going to click into course material. Course material is going to have the majority of your assignments. And what I've done is I've laid them out chapter by chapter. Every chapter is going to have everything you need to be successful in that chapter. Chapter 10 has got an outline. There's flashcards that you can use to practice before you take the quizzes. There's maps and worksheets. I will not grade you on the worksheets. Those are just, that is just a resource for you to better understand the material that you will be asked questions on in the review quiz. There are author videos for each chapter to help you better understand the material that you're reading. And when you are done with all of this, you can, and you're ready to take the quiz, you will click on Review Quiz, click to launch. It'll give you a little bit of information about that quiz. Most of the quizzes are set at 30 minutes. That is plenty of time to answer those questions. And then once you start a quiz, it must be submitted. You cannot just go in there and go begin and kind of look at it. No, that's rather cheating. So you do not do that. Once you begin a quiz, you must complete it, because once you submit it, it is going to go into the grade book. It is a forced completion after 30 minutes. It will submit for you. And if you have not answered a few questions, those questions will be marked in error, wrong. But each one of the chapters, like I said, has its own link under course materials. You will progress through each chapter until you are finished. I recommend that you work in advance of the due dates, because all of them do have due dates, and they will shut off after their due date time. Now, I've given you these days, weeks, months in advance, so I do not turn on any assignment that you have missed, because you have had plenty of time to complete these. So make sure that you are completing them by their due dates. If you know that you are going to be gone during a time an assignment is due, it is your responsibility to have that done before you leave on your vacation, a sporting event, or whatever. Make sure that you have those done. When you are finishing an assignment, you can go to your grades, and it will tell you how you scored on that assignment. I do make announcements weekly, kind of keeping you on track of, what's coming up, what's due. So all of the announcements that I send out will be here. And you will also receive an email. So make sure that you are checking your Gadsden State emails often and daily for any information I may send you. I also recommend that you set alerts in your smartphone to remind you when due dates are coming up. That's a great way of making sure that you're progressing on time and you don't get behind on anything. Also, you can click on this due date, and it's going to tell you the due date for every assignment that we have this semester in this course. So I look forward to working with you guys. If you have any questions, the best way to contact me is through my email. I am going to put another link over here that is going to give you my email address. It is bcook@gadsdenstate.edu. But please reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. And have a great semester.